The third experiment that I did was also graphic related, and I was curious. I needed a graphic for a logo. I was pulling together a new workshop concept and I wanted a logo for it. I didn't want to have to go back and pay humans to do it. So I was wondering, well, could an AI help with that? And I did find one. It's called Logo Joy. And there are a lot of online tools for developing logos, but this was interesting because it's another type of collaboration with artificial intelligence. You're answering questions, you're adding content similar to that website design experience, and then the AI is generating design options and ideas at a really, really fast pace. So it was really interesting interaction. So I was coming up with a new logo design for tomorrow's own workshop that I'm developing, and I like the one that I really like is this one on the bottom right. But it
Yes.
came up with some very relevant options in it, and it was able to generate ideas in seconds.
Hmm.
For me to do that with a different type of non-AI enabled tool, being able to search for image options that fit the theme of my logo at that speed, I couldn't do it as fast. So this AI really accelerates the process of ideation, which I had never thought of as something that an AI could do for me. And so I really liked this one. It was very responsive, very intuitive interface. So what's different with this one compared to that web design interface, the web design interface was a chatbot experience, but this one was more like a wizard where it's
Hmm.
taking you through the steps of the process of design, just like a human would take you through, some very concrete steps in a process of determining, ideas for your logo. The algorithm made very relevant suggestions. It was able to use my brand colors and enforce my branding. What I didn't like, there's still some quirks in the interface, and this is one of the things in learning to collaborate with an AI. They can move so much faster than you. And one of the patterns that I saw in these apps is that they usually have a history feature that allows you to step back in time a few seconds because it does move so much faster than we do. So that was an interesting experience. And my outcome, I'm still experimenting with it. I'm still developing my concept. So I like what it came up with so far, but I just haven't finalized it yet. So I think I'll still use it. It's a great example of intelligent automation applied to a creative process. And for me, it was a myth buster.